Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy P. Rouse back in the building with another video. And yo, check this out, right? We got a special watch unboxing for y'all. I always felt like I would have this watch in the collection, and it finally happened. So let's get into this unboxing right quick and see what we got. I'm pretty sure from the length of it and how it looks, most of y'all already probably know what this is. So let's get into it. Timex. Yeah. Oh wow. The packaging is awesome on this. You know what I mean? Packaging is freaking awesome. You know what? Again, Timex is one of my favorite watch companies. You know what I mean? So let's open him up and see what we got. Oops. Other way. Sorry. There we go. Timex. Bang. And there it is. The reissue of the Q Timex. And let's read what it says. Timex. Q Timex. First released in the 1970s. Our original Q Timex gave a new generation a modern watch with quartz technology. A natural evolution of our much-loved Q Timex 1979 reissue. This adds bright pops of color to the iconic feature of the original. A rotating bezel, woven stainless steel bracelet, functional battery hatch, and a dome acrylic crystal. So let's go ahead and let's take this joint out. You know what I mean? I'm gonna take him out right quick. Look at that. That is a beautiful piece. I think it's beautiful. But let's see. Let me get this plastic up off here first. There we go. Yeah. Come on off, baby. Come on off. And there it is. This stuff off the back. Okay. That Timex tag off there. Now we have nothing but beautiful freaking watch. So let me get this off of the acrylic dome crystal. And there we go. Q Timex. You know what I'm saying? A soon to be future classic. Let's hear how that bezel rotates. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Alright. Line him up real nice. Take that out. You know what I mean? Bang. And she is working. There it is. Q Timex. You know what I mean? And what I'm rocking right now, I'm rocking my Seiko 5 SNK 807. And we're gonna go ahead and take the Seiko off and try the Timex on the wrist right quick. So just stand by. All right, and here you go, people, on the wrist. You know what I mean? I didn't think I would like the bracelet at first, but now that I'm looking at it, I think it's pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? This is a pretty dope watch, yo. You know what I mean? And there it is, on the wrist. Timex Q 1979 reissue. Get into it. This your boy P. Rouse. Review coming soon on this joint. All right, peace.